What is the recommended frequency for using BG44K in my vehicle?
Hello everyone. Today we're talking about a very important topic for maintaining your vehicle's health, the recommended usage frequency for BG44K. BG44K is a fuel system cleaner that's loved by many for its effectiveness. Remember, using BG44K at the right frequency can help you keep your vehicle in its top shape.
What is BG44K?
BG44K is a high-quality fuel system cleaner designed to clean the fuel system of your vehicle. It is used to remove built-up deposits that accumulate in the injectors and combustion chambers over time. Regular use of BG44K can help improve fuel efficiency, performance, and can also reduce emissions.
How often should I use BG44K?
According to BG's product instructions and many automotive experts, the recommended usage frequency for BG44K in your vehicle is every 7,500 to 10,000 miles. This range is generally considered a safe interval that allows the product to effectively perform its cleaning function without overuse.
How to use BG44K?
Using BG44K is simple. The canister contains enough cleaner for up to 20 gallons of gasoline. To use it, you'll need to add the entire canister to a nearly empty tank and then fill up your tank with fuel. Drive normally until the fuel tank is nearly empty again. The BG44K cleans the fuel system as the fuel is used. That's it, folks. Now you know how often you should use BG44K in your vehicle. Remember to use it every 7,500 to 10,000 miles to keep your vehicle's fuel system clean and running smoothly. If you follow this advice, you'll likely notice improvements in your vehicle's performance and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safely.